Hello guys, so mag-get ready with me ako today kasi gusto ko lang and then so mag-get ready with me nga ako, diba? And then so mag-get ready with me ako, teka lang. So mag-get ready with me ako kasi may salamin na ako dito, here, yan. So mag-get ready with me and I feel so beautiful here in the mirror. Sa camera, I don't know if but okay lang, sige kahit hindi, and wala akong mapapatungan. Actually, every morning dyan ako sa harapan, dyan pinapatong ko yung phone. Kaso kasi maraming tao ngayon kasi may nagbabasketball and nakakahiya naman if dyan ako, baka sabihin nila attention seeker, papansin, I'm not like that. So I'm gonna get it first. Okay, the things that I need. First is yung lip balm. And then yung curler ko. And then oh my god, where is it? Guys, wala doon. Yung curler ko lang, tapos yung lip balm ko. Oh my god, I don't know where. Kung saan. Inayos naman yun ng ate ko. I must say hi. Parang ang ganda ko ngayon. Wala nang pangit. Guys, I don't know where yung yung nilalagay ko sa face. I don't know kung saan ang nilagay. Ang susuotin kong damit is yung Stranger Things. Stranger Thing. Thing lang, hindi things. I actually have pimples here na and it's not giving, Nakakainis ka, Sof. Bakit? Enough. Sunkiss yun. Sunkiss yun. Guys, oh my gosh guys, nilagay niyo eyes ko. Oh my god. What the fuck. So, cellphone ang